talk to you about something that I discovered yesterday that I thought might help you make more sales. So I wanted to share my results with you. Now, a little bit of backstory here. I haven't been making as many videos lately because I've been having a hard time with my Poshmark closet. Just being completely real, I have been listing, but not as much as I used to, and sharing and everything, but I'm just not seeing the same sales results that I had been seeing for previous months. So I was, let's see, halfway through the month of June, and I had basically made about $350 this month, which is just not acceptable to me. I was selling that about every week before, and so I was kind of really, I kind of lost my passion for doing this because I'm like, what's the point? I'm not making any money doing this. It's not going well. I can't seem to figure out what the heck is going on. So I decided yesterday, it just hit me like a ton of bricks. Let me just see what happens if I go through my entire closet, sending out offers to likers on anything that has more than 2 likes and reducing the price down to like my very bare minimum that I would be willing to take for something. Now, there's just a slight little note that I should make here, and that is I do almost all of my sourcing exclusively at the Goodwill Outlet or the bins. This means that my cost of goods for each piece listed in my closet is generally 50 cents to $1 per piece, depending on how much I get at the time when I go. I like to think of it just generally as $1 per piece so that I can just make it easy on myself in my mind. So for me, taking $10 on something means that I'm still going to make a $6 profit or a $5 profit, except for keeping in mind as well, you have to give a shipping discount if you send offers. So all of that being said, I went through my closet and I went ahead and just sent out offers. So anything that was $25 or less in my closet, I offered $10 for with $4.99 shipping. Anything that was $25 to $50, I offered for $15 with $4.99 shipping, and anything over $50 was either, $50 to $100 was $20 plus $4.99 shipping, and then anything over $100 was $25 with free shipping. So I just kept it simple, just those tiers. For me, again, I get my stuff at the bins, the Goodwill Outlet, so it was not that big of a deal for me to, offer something for $10 or whatever. I just wanted to move stuff. I just wanted to see if I could drum up some sales. Now, I did go through, the other note that I should make is that I did have actively when I did this, 600 listings in my closet. So if you only have, 50 listings or 100 listings, your results may not be as significant. Another note is that I did not go through, I've never gone through and done this before. Generally, I send offers right when a like comes in, and I do 10% off with the $4.99. So to offer, 50, 60, 70% off was a really big discount, and I've never offered anything like that before. So those are all notes to keep in mind if you do go this route and try this for yourself. Okay, so the results. I sold a total of 56 items in the last 24 hours. 56 items. So that was quite a jump considering this whole week I think I had sold 2 things. And I went from selling basically at least 1 item a day, and it's kind of dwindled all the way down to, a couple items a week for me now. So doing this, I sold 56 items in 24 hours. That's pretty significant. That's a big, big jump from where I've been. Okay, the total I sold gross before the Poshmark fees was $684 in 24 hours. So that is awesome. I'm super excited about it. I'm going to be packaging up all of that stuff to ship today. So 56 items to package up is going to be quite the task, but I'm not complaining. I'm really happy to have made those sales. After the Poshmark fees, my total, take home on this is $461. That doesn't count the $56 that I spent on the cost of goods. So roughly, I made about $400 that I actually get to keep for this over this past 24 hours. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that is a strategy that I just tried, and it worked really well for me. So it's making me really rethink my whole Poshmark strategy. I still think that what I'll do is I will list things for that higher price and let some likes accumulate. And then maybe once a week or so, I'll go through and send those, low offers and just see what happens. I'm also toying with the idea of, instead of waiting and doing it once a week, just sending those low offers when the likes come in and seeing how that plays out too. So I kind of have two ways I'm thinking about going with this experiment, and I'll report back to you and let you know what I actually try and what the results are. If you give this strategy a try, leave me a comment and let me know how it works for you, because I always want to see you guys succeed too and see what other people are doing. So leave me a comment below, and also if you want to see more videos like this about strategy or ways to drum up your sales, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you ring the bell so you get notified when my next video goes live. Until next time.